and Sana decided that we were going to vlog now, and sorry for the way I look. It's currently like 5:30 in the morning, which early, but it's 5 day, so it's worth it. And come hang with us today. Annie, wake up. Hey guys, so that was a very good beginning. I wasn't sleepy at all. Not at all. My sister is putting her mascara on. Is it going well? For those of you who haven't figured that out, we're going to Stockholm. I'm so excited! Are you excited? I'm so excited I could weep! I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. And we're off to the bus, to the bus, to the bus. Are you excited? Yeah! I think she thinks it's embarrassing to film like walking in a town. Is it? No. So now we're going to the bus. I think we're going to the store first. So maybe we can buy some breakfast and yeah, candy for the trip. You need candy for the trip. I think it's like, how long does it take? 4 or 5 hours? Something like that?
The trip?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
4 or 5 hours. Yes! And now we're in the bus, and I whisper because it's quite embarrassing that I talk to myself. It's a very rare sight to see a Santa up this early in the morning. Can't handle this. Now we're eating breakfast. We're eating, we bought this. It's just bread. We don't have anything on it. It's just basic bread. So I told you that this was my sister. Did I? I did that before, I think. I'm not sure. But this is my sister. I won't say her name in say her name in English because this means something else in English. And I don't want to be rude. But funny. Yeah, you say fanny. And I think that's a slang for the female genitalia.
Benson. Are you sad? Are you sad that I'm leaving? Stop wigging your tail.
Okay, so now we walked up the bus and we're walking the last bit to Sana. And then we're going to get in the car and then we're going to drive to Stockholm. We're Central going to Varsås. I'm so excited. Days I'd rather be. Hello.
Hello.
It's us.
It's us again.
Does your mother know that you're out there? Victims of the night. I tried to fight alone. 'Cause sometimes we just don't know that we can do anything together if we just try. And as long as we have our backs, we never. Where are we?
Hello, at McDonald's. Because we're unhealthy like that.
Our phones can buy. This time we will win. This time we'll have. Join forces.
Castles and dragons, the battle begins tonight. Are you with me? This is our kingdom, and we won't run.
So we're in the hotel. I'm going to show you around. This is a door.
Wow.
Wow. Can I turn it around while I'm no? Oh. Okay, this is the bathroom. There's a shower. There's the toilet. There. So there's the extra bed that nobody's gonna use. We booked it for 5 people. Can you shut up? I'm trying to vlog. Yeah. So that's the extra bed that nobody's going to use. Me, Sana, and Fanny is going to sleep in that big bed because we didn't want one of us to be lonely sleeping there.
Look, the Real Housewives of
Is it the Real Housewives again?
Yeah.
And there's the other bed that Sana's parents are going to sleep in, and that's a share. And it's really echoey here. And that's our view. Look at that view.
Chill out, buddy.
So we're going to watch some TV now, I think. Eat candy. No. But chill. In the bed. Like this. Oh! God, girl. Hello. Okay. Now, we will do our makeup. I have no clue where my makeup is.
Jävlar.
Åh jävlar! Åh jävlar! Aj!
Åh fy fan vilket ljus. Fy fan. I look like a poop. There's so much people.
Yeah, no.
I don't like
Too much people. Let's just walk through. We were looking after entrance 2, or are we all just merchandises? I think.
I have no idea what to do.
We have no clue where they are, but we're trying to find it.
But why are so slow?
I fixed my shorts.
But now you are not in the camera, and that's sad. People are kind of watching us, kind of not, but kind
I
of.
thought that people were kind of used to this now.
Probably.
And tonight, we are a team. Castles and dragons, the battle begins tonight. Are you with me? This is our
I feel so tall next to you.
Yeah. But Fanny is even taller than you are.
There, maybe. Yeah. We got this good.
Do you think it's there or?
Maybe. Because people are just walking straight in, it looks like, so maybe.
Guess where we are? Where are we? Where is Stockholm? We watch if I says woo! It's just commercial.
Yeah, every time I'm like, and then it's commercial. Wait, it's getting too quiet. I think it's starting. Bye.
I am one of those.
Cause I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me.
'cause you'll taste the ocean like you was today. You said please keep on holding your hands and the let's do a quick crowd check. If you're way around the back right now, please make some noise. Take what you got. I know it's not a lot, 'cause I just need another hit. You're the thing that I can't quit. Every fire ignited, faded to gray. But now that I'm broken, now that you're nowhere, caught up in a moment, can you see inside? 'Cause for this one, yeah.
Amazing. So good. And I don't hear a fucking thing. And I'm so sweaty, I can't even. It's so intense, you have to jump all the time. Yeah, basically. And she just heard her foot. And I who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! It's like only we here and we're Ghostbusters! Shall we head out? Are you okay? Hi guys! Sandra can walk. No, I hurt my foot a couple of weeks ago, so. Oh my god!
our kingdom, and we will ride tonight. We are a team. We can do anything together if we just try. And as long as we have our backs whenever our foes come by, this time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces. This time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces.
Good morning! Now we're going home. Yeah, and we've been awake for 2 hours? 3? 2.5? Huh? What's the clock? I have no clue. You have one. Oh! Shining bright like a diamond. Shall we close it? No.
Förmodligen inte.
Nope, but nope.
Vilken tur att jag hade nackstället här.
Men blev det inte på det?
Jo, tyvärr.
Va?